Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to write protect a USB drive on Windows 10 or 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To write protect a USB drive on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, first of all right click on Start menu, click on Disk Management. Here this one, this 2 is the USB removable drive. Now I'm going to write protect this drive. Go to search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. In command prompt type disk part and hit enter. Now command prompt is entered into the disk part utility. Type list disk. Look, this one, the disk 2 is my USB removable drive, and now type select disk 2. Now disk 2 is selected, and then type attributes disk and hit enter. And look here, read only no. Now type attribute disk set read only, and then hit enter. Disk attributes set successfully. Now again type attributes disk and look, read only yes. Now close command prompt and now go to File Explorer, click on this PC and go to USB drive. Now I am going to open a document from my USB drive. Look, I can read the document, but if I want to create a file or folder, look here, I cannot create file or folder here. If I want to copy something from another location, look, I'm going to copy and paste here. Look, in my PDF file I am trying to write something and I am highlighting the PDF, and also I am trying to write text here. Now I am going to save, click on save. The file is saving. Look, the document could not be saved. The file may be read only or opened by another user. And look, I cannot copy file in my write protected USB drive. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.